Chapter 1, Patterns in Mathematics. In this chapter, we will observe the patterns, the patterns in numbers, shapes, etc. Number sequences. Here, we will learn about the different patterns in numbers, shapes, etc. The first one we are learning about number sequences. Just see, when some numbers are arranged in a definite order according to a definite rule, such that we can predict which number would appear after any particular number, we say that a number sequence is formed. The first one, we can see a number sequence in which the same number 1 is repeated throughout the sequence. So this one is all about ones. Read the numbers in next sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can further go on by saying 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So go on. Actually all the sequence go up to infinity. So can you recognize these numbers? Yes. These numbers are actually counting numbers, also called the natural numbers. Next series or the number sequence is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. This sequence consists of all odd numbers. The first term is 1 and each next or subsequent term is obtained by adding 2 to the previous term. So this series is actually about odd numbers. The next one, you can see these numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Further we can go on 12, 14, etc. These numbers are actually even numbers. You are familiar with the even numbers. The numbers which are divisible by 2 are called even numbers. Each term of this series or sequence is also obtained by adding 2 to the previous term. Next one, we can see the terms 1, 3, 6, 10, 15. What will be next? Let's see. Just write the numbers 1, 3, 6, 10, 15. Now let us observe the pattern. See, 1 plus 2 we get 3. 3 plus 3 we get 6. 6 plus 4 we get 10. And 10 plus 5 we get 15. And what will be the next one? Plus 6 we will get 21. In this way we get the series which is triangular number. I will show you how these numbers form a triangle. Next one, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. You can find these numbers as square numbers. 1, that is 1 square. 4 is the square of 2. 9 is the square of 3. Similarly, 16 is equal to 4 square and 25 is equal to 5 square. And the next one will be 36, that is 6 square. So these are called actually what? The sequence of square numbers. Here you can see 1, 8, 27, 64, 125. So what are these numbers? Let us see. These numbers are actually cube of the natural numbers. 1, that is 1 cube. 8, that is 2 cube. 27, that is 3 cube. 64, that is 4 cube. And 125 is the cube of 5. And the next one will be 216, that is cube of 6. The sequence of cube numbers. This sequence follows a fantastic pattern. I will show you this pattern also appears in nature and our real life objects. Let us see the pattern first. 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. Look at this. 1 plus 1, you get 2. 1 plus 2, you get 3. 2 plus 3, you get 5. 3 plus 5, you get 8. And 5 plus 8, we get 13. Now the next one will be 13 plus 8, that is 21. I hope you are getting all the patterns. This pattern is also called Viranka numbers. Actually, this pattern is called Viranka numbers or Fibonacci series. Now these numbers are actually following the pattern as powers of 2. Powers of 2. Let us explain it. 1 is actually 2 raised to power 0. As we know, if we raise power 0 to any number, we get 1. And 2, that is 2 raised to power 1. 4, that is 2 raised to power 2. Again, 8, that is 2 raised to power 3. Similarly, 16, 2 raised to power 4. 32, that is 2 raised to power 6. Sorry, 2 raised to power 5, not 6. The next one will be 64, that is 2 raised to power 6. So all these are powers of 2. Let's look at these numbers 1, 3, 9, 27, 81, 243. See, the pattern is powers of 3. It is following the powers of 3. 1, that is 3 raised to power 0. 3, that is 3 raised to power 1. Then 9, that is 3 raised to power 2. 27, that is 3 raised to power 3. 81, that is 3 raised to power 4. 243, that is 3 raised to power 5. And the next one will be 729, that is 3 raised to power 6. So here we have learned that how we will get the next number by observing the pattern in the sequence as this is given to us. Now it's time to check yourself. Answer the following. Find the seventh term of the sequence of power of 2. Find the seventh term of the sequence of power of 3. Comment below.